Hello, and welcome to In-Depth with H20 at Home's Cleaning Clay Kit. You're probably wondering, how do I use this? Great question, I've got the answer for you. The cleaning clay is the #1 selling product for H20 at Home, and I'm going to tell you why. So, you need to clean something and you would normally spray something, but now, use the clay. All you have to do is get the sponge wet and scrub away. It's great for cleaning jewelry, cleaning stainless steel, cleaning sinks, cleaning stoves, cleaning inside ovens so you don't get those nasty toxic fumes, and tile and everywhere else in between. So join me as I take you for a test drive of the cleaning clay kit. Okay, let's take the H20 at Home cleaning clay kit for a test drive. So I've unscrewed the lid of our cleaning clay, and when you first get your kit, you will get your sponge wet and squeeze it out, and then there'll be a little paper that you peel off the top, and then you just swish it side to side and then foam it up, and you are ready to go. So I've got last night's mess in here, and I'm just going to go in small circles to try and clean the soiled areas. So, nice and easy. The cleaning clay has coconut oil in it, so it helps to bead the water off and keep things clean a little bit longer. Alright, and if we have a really soiled spot, like we had a spillover, then I can just let this clay sit and come back to it and re-wet it if I need to. Now, as you can see, I got a little bit too much, so remember, a little bit goes a long way. Now, here's the kit part. When you get your kit, it will come with a chiffonette like this, and after you unwrap it, you get it wet. I folded ours into 8 sides, and I'm going to use one side at a time to swipe and wipe. So here we go. And flip. And flip. And as you can see, I've already picked up the rice. So the key to not having a streaky finish is to wipe frequently. Now, I've used all 4 sides, so I'm going to open this up and I'm going to fold it the opposite way and use the other 4 sides. This works great to get greasy spots or stains off that happen when you're cooking. Okay, and now I can just get all the little grease with my chiffonette alone. See that grease spot? And it disappears. Now, if you start to see a little bead of water and it looks like it's going to streak, don't panic. Just let it dry. Have a little bit heavier duty mess to take care of? No problem. Our scouring clay kit can help you do those tough and dirty jobs with a little bit of scrubbing pumice power. Thanks so much for watching.